What is really going on when you use a massage gun? Does it help with recovery? Does it really reduce pain? What about injury chances and flexibility? Are they really a miracle device? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of massage guns and how they can help your recovery faster, as well as how can they make you feel better. Have you ever wondered what's really going on when you use a massage gun? Let's uncover the secrets behind their efficacy and why they are one of the most trendy gadgets. These viral devices give rapid percussions or strokes on your muscle like a drum. They claim to help with increasing your blood flow, reducing the muscle soreness as well as pain, and even improving your flexibility, guys. The secret sauce lies in the stimulation of muscle proprioceptors and mechanoreceptors which are there inside the muscle. This rhythmic pressure talks with your nervous system and it helps promote relaxation and increases the range of motion. But what does the research say about this? Drum roll please. Clinical studies proved that it was effective. But effective against what? Against manual therapy, mechanical vibration, foam rolling, static stretching, as well as living a sedentary lifestyle. Wait a minute, but these are already proven unhelpful with strength, soreness and flexibility, guys. Just imagine if we compared it to things that have actually been proven useful, like actually going to the gym, strength training, lifting weights, sleeping, or having proper nutrition. Hey, but they were actually compared with dynamic stretches. Guess what? They caused the same improvements in horizontal jumping tests as well as right and left foot balance with eyes open and eyes closed. So they do work the same way. But guess which one of these is absolutely free? Along with these findings, massage guns didn't really increase any kind of muscle activation or muscle force output. Also, they are not without their share of concern, guys. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you can never miss my science-packed content just like this video. Now let's talk about how safe massage guns are. Their overuse may lead to bruising, discomfort, as well as soreness, the same that you get after an insane party in the morning. When using the massage gun, we must also remember to maintain a comfortable distance from our body. You really don't need to press it that hard, guys. Let the gun do its work. Start with the lowest speed and gradually increase it. Here are some safety tips that you can keep in mind. Do not use the massage gun on the bones, joints, or on the spine. Avoid using it in one spot for a very long period of time to avoid bruising. If you have a pre-existing medical condition, please consult your doctor before you start using a massage gun. Another thing to be aware of, it's placebo effects. Just because you're feeling good doesn't mean that it's actually curing or improving anything in your body. Just like physically touching an injury area doesn't improve it. You may suffer with recurring discomfort and pain after its use as well. So there you have it, folks. Using a massage gun may or may not be as much of a game changer in your recovery routine. Massage guns may improve short-term range of motion, flexibility, as well as recovery. But when it comes to certain things like strength, balance, acceleration, agility, or explosive ability, it may not work. Before we jump to the bandwagon, don't forget to stretch, hydrate, and make sure that you're resting well for your recovery. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could also use some relaxation as well as recovery in their lives. My advice to you would be proceed with caution with the massage guns and avoid beating your muscles like a drum. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more informative videos like this. Until next time, keep those muscles happy and healthy. And remember that movement is medicine.